loves, I'm back. And as you can see, we got us a bob unit. This unit is from Vivi Baby Hair, and she's 180% density, 13x4 lace front wig, and she's also 14 inches long. I got this wig in 14 inches because I knew I would want to cut it a little bit shorter, but I didn't want to get like a 12 inch or a 10 inch and it was way too short. So I'm like, let me get a 14 inch and then I can cut it to my liking. So that's what I'm doing here. I put it on my head and I cut where I want, to basically cut all the way around. I do that just so I can make sure it's not going to be too short, because when bobs are awkward length, it really grinds my gears. Want to make sure if you aren't using a electric razor, that you do have some sharp scissors. It'll make sure that everything's nice and blunt. And I think nice, clean, blunt bobs look so fresh and, super clean and classy. But I do recommend using an electric razor if you do want to do a blunt cut. It's a lot easier and a lot less time consuming. After you've gotten your cut all the way together, I styled this wig in a middle part, but at the end I ended up changing to a side part. No big deal though, it was cute either way. But I'm just going to take my Babyliss flat iron and I'm going to straighten it with no product. And again, I said this all the time, but if you want a super sleek press out on your hair, you need to invest in a good flat iron. This one, I received mine from Ulta, but you can order it offline for a little bit cheaper. You get to the lace part of your wig, you want to do my free spray and hot comb method just so this lays as flat as possible, especially with shorter hair. You don't want something too short and then it's bulky in the roots. I just feel like it gives it a wiggy look, so you want to make sure it's as flat as possible. Right here, I'm taking temporary hair color spray just to clean up my part a little bit. You want to be careful with this though, because if you do get it on the lace, it's not going to be a good look. And I actually got mine on the lace a little bit, but I ended up finessing it. As you can see, this lace is very thin and flexible, and it's going to blend right in with my skin tone. So this is how it was when I had it in a middle part and I just tucked it behind my ears. It was the perfect length because I cut it myself. So cute. But I think I like the side part better. So you guys let me know which one you like better. But thank you so much for watching. If you want to pick up this wig, of course, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. I'll see you on my next one, child. Thank you for supporting. Bye.